guys, welcome back to Social Freelancer. My name is Abhimanue. So in this video, I'm going to show you some photography ideas which you can try it from your home itself. It doesn't matter if you're trying from your room, you can try it wherever you want from. Okay. Before jumping into the video, don't forget to like, share and comment. And if you have any suggestions regarding this video, you can comment below. I will definitely get back to you. Let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video. I hope you all like it, and don't forget to like and share the video with your friends and families. And we will see you in the next video with another good topic. And guys, don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will get notification from all my videos, and we guys will keep in touch.